Hi, good morning. This is GK reporting from Zambia. Today is 12th August 2021, a declared public holiday because of presidential election in Zambia. In order to facilitate the election process smoothly, tomorrow on 13th August also declared as a public holiday. See, the presidential election in Zambia takes place in two-stage systems. In the first stage, out of 167 members of National Assembly, 156 members will be elected, where only a single person will represent from a constituency. Remaining 8 will be appointed by President, and the rest 3 will be by virtue of ex officio position of Vice President, Speaker, and Deputy Speaker. However, one more deputy speaker, it is called as second deputy speaker, so will be elected from the elected members of the National Assembly. In this presidential election, 16 candidates are contesting. Though there are 16 contestants, but major competitions will be taking place with two major political parties, Patriotic Front and United Party for National Development. The Patriotic Front presidential candidate is Mr. Edgar Lungu. He is the incumbent president. So he is in the chair since 2015 after sudden demise of that time President Mr. Michael Sata. He completed the remaining term of that, which was served by Mr. Sata in 16, and in 16 presidential election he was elected as a president by a narrow vote margin. His party Patriotic Front has gathered 50.3% of vote casted in the election. Election procedure has started since announcement by Zambia Election Commissioner on 15th of May. Before that, National Assembly was dissolved by President Lungu in order to create a level playing ground for campaigning for all the political parties. So election, after announcement of election, along with the advisory note from the Zambia Election Commission, advisory note was for minimizing the gathering in the campaign to curb the pandemic COVID-19. Despite the appeal from the Zambia Election Commission for maintaining peace during election campaign, there was some political violences, and both the major party, United Party for National Development and also Patriotic Front, was banned in 4 areas. For example, Lusaka, Mapulungu, Namwala, Nankonde, and there was also allegation from the opposition party that their campaigns are getting blocked by using the government institutes. However, amidst these allegations and counter allegations, the campaign period was more or less peaceful, and today is the day of elections. People are very much enthusiastic to franchise their casting right in the polling booths. Historically, the voter turnout never surpassed 65-70% in the past. So this time also we can easily expect the voter turnout will be between 55 to 60%. So after these elections, We can expect the election result at the end of this week. As an expatriate, we have nothing to do with the funfair of the elections, only to have on the news channel news and also to enjoy holiday purely. Thank you all of my viewers.